guys, this is Abhishek from Gadgetsjuice.com, and today we are here at the Samsung event and we have the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge with us, and we are comparing right now with the Samsung Note 5 over there. As you can see, in terms of the overall design philosophy, these devices are kind of similar but not exactly the same, and the profile which we have on the edges is very much similar. Although in terms of the overall camera, the camera has improved over there on the S7 Edge as compared to the Note 5, and you can also see that there is no more camera bulge over there compared to what you see over there. You do have heart rate sensor on both of them and other sensors as well. We have LED flashlight over there on both of these two phones. This camera over here is 12 megapixel and it has the dual pixel camera autofocus technology, which gives it better autofocus, faster autofocus compared to what you get on Samsung Galaxy Note 5 as well as on Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge. In terms of the look and feel, these devices look very similar. At the back, you can see that we have a nice curve over there, which is slightly more over there on the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 if you take a closer look compared to the curve which you have on the glass. However, both of these devices have got Corning Gorilla Glass 4 over there at the front as well as at the back side. As far as the edges are concerned, the edges are looking like this, a lot similar, and on this side we can see that there is a difference. The edge is slightly thicker over there on the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 compared to the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, which has a thinner edge, but it is also metal, and both of these buttons are there also very similar. These are metallic buttons. At the bottom you can see that we have the S Pen over there on the Note 5, whereas we do not have that on the S7 Edge. We have the 3.5mm jack on both of them, micro USB port as well on both of them, and the loudspeaker mesh as well. And on this side we can see that we have the metal edge as well on both of them. So the overall look and feel is very much similar. Let's compare the front profile. The front is flat on the Samsung Galaxy Note 5, which gives it a very subtle feel as compared to this one, which gives it a very immersive feel. So both of them have got Super AMOLED display, and again the display clarity and viewing angles are good enough on both of these devices, but the display definitely is better over there on the S7 Edge. It is curved over there and it is curved over there, and you can also use the curve part. However, the curve is not much compared to what we have seen on Samsung Note Edge, which we have seen earlier. We do have App Edge over there, with which you can use certain application as a shortcut. You can launch them, and the App Edge functionality or the Edge functionality is now bigger in terms of the area, and you do have a lot of other things, like you can have People Edge, you can also have Yahoo News over there, you can also have all other features which are not there on the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. In terms of hardware, these two devices are kind of different. Let me do a quick camera comparison and show you the details in terms of the colors and other things which you can expect. Let me take a front camera selfie from the Samsung S7 Edge. Let me take the same from the front camera on Note 5. And let me take a rear camera photo as well. And let me take it from this one as well. So we have taken the rear camera photo on both of these devices, and I would like to show you the photo on both of them. So this is how it looks like on the Samsung Galaxy Note 5, and this is how it looks like on the S7 Edge. Again, the S7 photo is better in terms of the colors, in terms of the overall brightness as well, compared to what you get on Note 5. As far as rear camera is concerned, the rear camera is definitely better on the S7 Edge compared to Note 5 over there, which you can easily notice. And I can see a slight amount of fading over there in terms of the colors compared to this one, which is much more colorful, whereas this one is not that colorful, and you can easily see that. Let me come back and show you the front camera photo. And here we have the front camera photo. Let me load it for you. Yeah, this is the front camera photo, and this is how the front camera photo look like on both of these two phones. And if you take a closer look, again the photo is very good over there, and it is looking nice over here as well. So both the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 and the S7 Edge are giving good clarity in this photo, and the colors are also looking nice. So the overall clarity and the colors you might expect from the front camera is good on both of them. But in terms of details, if we take a look, the details are slightly better over there on the S7 Edge in some of the scenarios. But as of now, if we talk about these two photos, both of these photos are equally good. So the rear camera is definitely better on the S7 Edge, whereas the front camera is again, however, the same. But if you take photos in low light, you will get better selfies over there on the S7 Edge compared to Note 5. And this is all we have as far as the quick comparison. I would say both of these devices are good in terms of the build quality, in terms of the overall design as well. And Note 5 does have this extra unique feature, which is the S Pen, whereas the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge has new hardware, new looks, and very good premium feel as well. And it definitely feels better when you hold this phone in hand compared to the Note 5, which is slightly bigger as compared to this one, because this one has almost very thin bezels compared to Note 5, which has thicker bezels compared to S7 Edge. And this one also have curved display, whereas this one does not give you a curved display. And as far as the back feel is concerned, the back is curved over there, which is slightly more, and back is curved over here as well, but it is not that much. So this is all we have. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.